Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Amazon Associate Program. And get this, it's absolutely free for you to get started today and start making money as soon as possible. Right now, I want to throw a disclaimer in there and just say, I'm not saying that you're going to make money as soon as you get started with this, right? It's going to take some time. It's going to take some research. But let's get into the content because I hate wasting other people's time. So let's get it. All right. So as you can see, I'm here on the Amazon homepage. Now, you understand that it's free to get started and start promoting these different products out to other people that may need them. But what you don't understand yet how to do is how to become an associate with them to be able to do that. All right, so what you want to do, and I want you to follow along with me right now. Don't wait till the end of the video. Follow along with me right now so you know exactly what you need to do to get this thing going. All right, so we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage of Amazon.com. Now, once you get to the bottom, you're going to see this right here. It says "Make Money with Us." Okay. Now you're going to skip all these links down here until you get to where it says "Become an Affiliate." Right? You're going to click "Become an Affiliate." All right. Now, when you click that, it's going to bring you over to. Well, I'm actually logged in since I already have an account with them. We're going to log out. Okay. So this is the page it will bring you to once you click "Become an Affiliate." Now, what you're going to do is you're going to hit "Join Now" for free. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Now, it's going to bring me to what a new person would see just because I went through that link. All right, so this is what you would see when you actually try to become an associate. All right, so hopefully you're following along with me so you can kind of go through this process with me. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to enter some basic information, right? As you can see, I have a check right there, but like I said, I already have an account. So you're going to fill out basic information here, and then you're going to hit next. Now, it's going to bring you over to the tab that it's on right now, which is the website and mobile app list. Now, what you would do here is you would just put in your website. Now, if you don't have a website, then what you can do is you can just put in your Facebook link or maybe your business page or something like that, and it should be fine. You shouldn't have any issues. And then it will take you to the next tab. It's pretty self-explanatory on what you're doing. You're just filling out information and answering questions just like any other registration, right? So, and then you would get to this last tab, and at this point, this is usually when they approve you. I haven't seen where they have disapproved people. It's literally instant approval, all right? So once you get there, then at this point, you will literally have access to promote any product that you want to on Amazon, right? That they at least allow, all right? So, that process is pretty much self-explanatory, so just go ahead and finish and continue until you get all green checks. All right, and once you do that, all you have to do is just go. They're pretty much going to bring you to the page and log you in automatically. So at that point, you can just follow through what I'm about to do next. All right. So now I wanna go over the strategy that you're going to need to use to make money with the associate program, right? Because I know that's why you're here, right? You don't just want to become an associate of the Amazon program. You want to make money with it, all right? So here's the strategy. All right, so I'm going to draw a box right here, right? This box is going to stand for, well, it's not going to stand for anything. It's just going to be the product box, right? The P box. So basically, the strategy works like this. You have a product now. Now that you have become an Amazon associate, you now have access to a ton of different products that you can promote. Right? Now, here's my advice. If you do not own a product, do not promote it. One more time. Let me say that one more time. If you do not own a product, do not promote it, because you're basically going to be giving a non-genuine review because you just want to put up a video so you can make money, right? That strategy does not work. You have to own the product because people can see, oh, okay, he owns the product. He's showing me, he's giving me some value. He's talking about the features. He's showing me how it works. People love that, right? That's when they're like, oh, okay, I really enjoyed this review. I'm going to go ahead and click the link in the description and I'm going to buy. Simple as that. That's pretty much the strategy, but I just want to break it down and put it on this whiteboard so you can see it. So you have the product. Then I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to draw another box, right? Excuse my box. I know it's pretty horrible. All right, so this is going to be the YT box. Oh my gosh. All right, so the YT box. Now, what does YT stand for? YouTube. YouTube. This is the YouTube video, and you're basically going to be reviewing this product in a YouTube video. Now, some of you may say, oh, I don't really want to do no video. Well, here's the good thing. You don't actually have to have your face in the video. You can literally just do a review, hold a camera, or have somebody else hold a camera. As you're reviewing the product, showing them how it works, talking about the features, you don't have to have your face on the camera, right? So hopefully I just gave you some encouragement, all right? All right, so product, YouTube review, you're doing a review. Then you're going to upload that video to YouTube, and then you're going to rank that video for that specific product, right? And I'll show you in a little bit how that whole process works, all right? Now, I'm going to draw another line. Now, this line is going to go over to this box called the R box, all right? So just to kind of, since we've made it to this box, I'll just kind of go over the strategy in a whole. So it goes from the product. Then you're going to do a product review, upload it on YouTube, and then you're going to go to refer them to your affiliate link. So whichever link Amazon gives you, that's the link that you're going to be referring them to after you've given them value. That's the key word there, value, and a pretty decent review, and not just, oh, this is what the product does, and you're not showing them the actual product. So now they're like, he doesn't even have the product, so how can he give me a review on it? And that's why I gave you the advice I gave you earlier. Do not promote anything that you do not own. All right, so that's the strategy. Hopefully you got it. If you didn't get it, just kind of rewind the video, watch it again so it sinks in. But it's a pretty simple strategy. All right, so let me show you exactly how this strategy works. All right, so I'm going to go over here to YouTube, and I'm going to hit enter. All right, so we're here on YouTube. Now, since the example I'll use an Amazon Echo, since I actually have an Amazon Echo. All right, so Amazon Echo. And I'm going to hit enter, and we're going to see how much searches that gets per month. All right, so an Amazon Echo gets searched 823,000 times per month. So imagine promoting a product, ranking that product on the first page of YouTube, and it gets 823,000 searches per month. Can you imagine, right? Can you imagine? I want you to imagine just for a moment, like Amazon commissions just coming in because you have a video ranked on the first page, right? And I'll actually put a link to a free course where I show you exactly what it is that I do to rank my videos on the first page. All right, so just wait. Don't go to that link yet. I want you to see this all the way out. All right, so as you can see, he created an Amazon Echo review video. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to click on his video, and I'm going to pause it. Just a second. Computer is actually acting a little bit slow right now. All right, so I paused this video, so it's probably not going to play. But the strategy, you remember what I said? In this video, like I said, you saw in his thumbnail that he's doing a review on it, right? So his video, as you can see, it's 11 minutes long. Yours doesn't actually have to be 11 minutes long. It can be shorter. It can be longer. As long as you're giving value in the video. Remember, that is the key word there. All right, so he does the review, he records the review, and then what does he do? At the end of the video, I'm 99% sure that he said, if you want to pick up this product, there is a link in the description. That's the strategy. It's really as simple as that. You're showing them a product, you're reviewing it, you're letting them know what it is, and then you're saying, hey, if you want to pick this product up, then there's a link in the description that you can click to get access or to buy the product. All right, and that's really all you're doing with this strategy. All right, so let me hit show more so I can show you that he actually has the Amazon link in the description. All right, so as you can see, he has the Amazon link in the description. So let's look at the views. This is almost 1 million views on this video, and he has an Amazon link here. So I want you to think to yourself, that even if he was to get 1% of almost 1 million views to actually buy, he's made a lot of money. Even though the percentages, and we'll get to the percentages on what Amazon actually pays out here in a minute, all right? So just 1%, he still made a lot of money. And the cool thing about Amazon is, let's say somebody goes to this link, right? So let's say I was to go to this link and then buy the product that he was recommending, and let's say I didn't buy it, right? But then I clicked on his link, and then I said, I don't want this. But then I said, oh, there was something that I needed to buy on Amazon. Do you know that anything else that I buy, he's going to get a commission for it, right? And that's the pretty cool thing about Amazon that you want to keep in mind. All right, so that's the YouTube strategy, and I just highly recommend YouTube. And if you're not using YouTube right now in your business, does not matter what you're doing, I really think that you're missing out. Okay, so get on this YouTube stuff. You know, take advantage of this Amazon stuff. You can really make some money with this stuff, although their percentages are low, and we'll go over that right now. All right, so these are the commission rates. So with every affiliate program, you're going to get a percentage of the earnings. All right, so let's go to the highest amount. All right, so the highest amount that you can receive is up to 10%. So if you sell a $100 product, you're going to get 10% of that $100 product. But most times when people go to Amazon, they don't just buy one product. Remember what I said about the little thing about if they buy that product and buy other products, you're going to get the commission for those as well. All right. So it's up to 10%. And as you can see right here, video games and video game consoles is 1%. Televisions, digital video games is 2%, and so on and so on. It's based off categories. All right, so that's the commission rate, and that's what you're based on, those percentages, and whatever category it is, that's what you're going to get paid on. All right, so that's the YouTube strategy and the commission rate. But let me actually pull my camera up. All right, so now that you can see me, this Amazon stuff is awesome, right? It's great. It's easy for someone who's just getting started. But what I want to tell you is, with the Amazon stuff, you're not able to keep those customers. When people use your link to buy stuff, they just now became Amazon customers. So that means that Amazon is going to continue to make money off of them, but you're not, right? You want to leverage a system that's going to allow you to collect those customers, right? They buy from you, and then now you can continue to market to them, so you can continue to make money over and over and over again, just like Amazon. Here's the example I can give you. When you go to Amazon, let's say you get to a product and you go to check out, but then somehow you get distracted, or somehow you just be like, I'll buy it later. Have you ever seen where that happens, where you probably forget about it, or you buy it later, and then throughout the day, Amazon keeps putting that product in your face, saying, oh, you forgot, or they just, everywhere you go on the internet, right? Facebook, it does not matter. They're targeting you all over the internet. Have you ever seen that? That's because Amazon is smart, right? They know, oh, this person really wanted to buy that. Let's just keep putting it in their face until they buy, right? You can do that exact same thing once you learn how to become a master marketer, right? And that's what the ecosystem that I'm a part of, my #1 recommended system to make a full-time income online, is going to show you how to do. So if you want to learn exactly how to become a master marketer and separate yourself from everybody else on what they're doing, then what I want you to do is I want you to click the link in the description. It's the first link. That's going to give you access to my #1 recommended system to make a full-time income online. All right? But if you got value from this video and you just want to focus on the Amazon stuff, that's fine, right? You now know how to do it. And if you did get value, go ahead and smash that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.